Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make 3D text in DaVinci Resolve. It's quite easy. Firstly, we need to hit right click on our clip, then just click on this option, open Infusion page, and as soon as you're on this window, we're gonna insert three things. Like the first one is text 3D, the second one is this one right here, which is by the name of merge 3D, and the third one is right here, which is render 3D. Okay, now we're gonna connect all of them like this. Now here we're gonna make sure that this dual window or dual screen should be turned on. Like if you're only on single screen, you should turn it on double screen like this. Now click on this one, media out one, and make sure that this should be set on right side just like this, and this one text 3D should be set on left side. Then click on text 3D one, and here we're gonna type the text. My text is hello. Next, just connect this renderer 3D to this one. Once you do that, just click on text 3D again, and now you will able to see the text just right here on your clip. So if you want to do whatever changes to your text, you can do that from here. Like you can change the color if you want, as well as you can increase the size of your text, change the font. It's up to you. But for instance, I'm gonna leave my text as it is and just jump on the next step. And next step is that we need to select text 3D and hit Ctrl plus spacebar from the keyboard. This window will open, and here we're gonna type directional light. So this is the one which we need to add. So click on that and just click on add here. Once it is added, again click on text 3D. Here just expand this extrusion, and you can just increase the depth like this. So it's up to you, whichever you like, you can go ahead with that. So I think this would be great for me. Then we're gonna select directional light and just adjust these arrows to just front of the text, something like this. Then just move to this option, which is renderer 3D, and right here we're gonna toggle on lighting and shadows. And yeah, at this point you're good to go. To show you clearly, if I click on this one and just go to layout and show you exactly, this is how your text will look like. And the best thing is that even at this stage you can change the text, you can change the color of your text. Let's say I choose red. Okay, then go to layout. I can just align the text something like this on the middle. Okay, and yeah, there you go. This is how our text will look like. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.